In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on Robinhood with just $10 using the mobile app. You don't need a large amount of money to start investing in cryptocurrency, and Robinhood allows you to buy fractional amounts of supported coins. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon at the bottom and look for the cryptocurrency you want to buy, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another supported coin. Tap on the crypto asset to open its market page. Here, you can view the current price chart, market performance, and other details before making your purchase. Next, tap the trade button and choose buy. On the order screen, enter $10 as the amount you want to invest. Robinhood will automatically calculate how much cryptocurrency you'll receive based on the current market price. Since crypto prices change constantly, the amount of crypto you receive may slightly vary before the order is completed. Before confirming the order, review all the details carefully, including the estimated quantity and current market price. You can also switch to a limit order if you want the purchase to happen only at a specific price. Once everything looks correct, tap Review Order and confirm the trade. After the order is completed, your crypto will appear in your portfolio section where you can track its value over time. If your purchase option is unavailable, make sure crypto trading is enabled on your account and that your funds are fully settled. And that's how you can buy crypto on Robinhood with $10. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials.